Next video. These videos make me angry. What a stupid way. If you do not have any other choices, don't even open the bottle. Wait until you are prepared and have a corkscrew. I never like these tricky ways to open a bottle of wine. If at your wine tasting or any event when you want to drink wine, you do not have the equipment.
Don't have the equipment to be a man.
It means that you are not really planning to drink wine, so maybe just skip it and get ready next time. This is disgusting. I don't like it. Actually, no one likes this method. The comments are very funny. Sending hate from friends. 11,000 likes. So yeah, I don't have a corkscrew in my hotel room, but I'm so glad I remembered to pack my wooden spoon. One way to ruin a good bottle of wine. I'm getting a hint of wooden spoon and plastic bag in this wine. But why pour with the spoon still in? Actually, I thought he was making a Molotov. This sums up pretty well. Wine is a drink for nice occasions, not for plastic bag and wooden spoon kind of occasions.